Hi, I'm Daniel Caldentey, Product Manager for Electro Voice and Dynacord, and we're really happy to be showing our new U Series amplifiers. These are the entry-level amplifiers from Dynacord, right under the V Series that was launched earlier last year. It's a great compact product, very simple but very powerful. Comes in two modes. We have a mixer amplifier available in 30, 60, 120, and 200 watts, as well as a power amplifier mode in 120 and 240 watts. All full power in any configuration, so that's 4 ohms or 8 ohms in low impedance or 7100 volts in high impedance. And again, very simple. The mixer amplifier with 2 mic line inputs, where you can also have a call station or voice override. You have the 2 auxiliary inputs for any music or any other inputs that you want to have. We also have an emergency input, so you can connect to any PAVA system, and it will override anything that is coming out from the system. There's a line output, so you can connect it to other amplifiers to amplify other areas of your application. And it's a very easy to configure with just a very simple dip switch, where you can have things like ghost power for the microphones or high-pass filters for the speakers. Very compact design, same size as the V Series, so half rack, 1 U.